Good morning. So I'm trying my hand at blogging, Instagram, YouTube, whatever. Gonna talk about my art, my business, my life, COVID, my kids, my husband, and just sometimes my daily routine. So first day today, I just gave myself a haircut, and I like it. I needed to get some big chunks of frizz and dead stuff off. So I watched a couple YouTube videos, gave myself a haircut, but I'm trying to figure out how to style it because I've just been kind of just letting it hang for the last 2 days. So this is some left. Oops. So little malfunction. I have one of my pet tapestries up to hide my closet. It doesn't have a closet door, and it's packed full of art supplies and not very organized. As you see, I got my paint stuff behind me, and you can't see everything here, but there's other supplies in my shelf. So I had a malfunction, so I had to fix it. So, like I said, that's right, I was talking about my hair. So this is a little bit of leftover perm and a little bit of natural curling. I cut my hair to do like a long layered shag.
Alright, buddy.
With bangs. So I'm going to blow dry my hair and see how it comes out. And then if it doesn't come out, I'll go back to my normal kind of scrunching style, which is not much more than what I'm doing now. So let's get on. So now, my hair is prepped. I have moisturized it. I have put conditioner in it, leave-in conditioner in it. I put some nourishing hair oil in it, some styling gel, and so now it is prepped and hopefully protected from more damage to blow out straight, and then use my flat iron. So now I blow dried it out straight, and it still had a lot of frizz. And now I have flat ironed it with my old big dinosaur Conair, which is actually broken on one side where it hit the bathroom floor. I bought it at Goodwill to begin with, or Savers, but it works. But I'm going to invest eventually in a smaller one. So much smoother now, but still not shaped the way I want. I want to just soften the ends a little bit. So a little bit more. So this is the finished project. I think I like it. Kind of Joan Jett-like. It's okay. I can rock it. So, if you would like to see me try something else, because I always cut my own hair and I color it, and I've had blue hair and teal hair and always wanted to try black, but I'm a little nervous. But I will for you guys. So if you would like to see more on my channel, hit the like button. Subscribe to me at Enchanted Thrift and Pixie. Blonde moment. Thrift and Pixie. And you can look for me on my Square store at Enchanted Forest Designs. .square.site. Look for me on Facebook. But like, subscribe, and give me any comments, any feedback. Let me know what you'd like to see, including my artwork, because I have lots of artwork to show and I want to share. So this is it. I like it. I might try to switch it up, maybe do a little feather back another day, and then I'll tape that. If you'd like to see it curly, this haircut's not made for curly that much, but I'll try, because I always had curly hair before. So please subscribe to me, and I hope you have a great day.